myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic on how we are going to find the greatest number among two numbers. Then we are moving into the how we are going to find the greatest number among three numbers. So for finding the greatest number among two numbers, we have to first we have to see the conditional statements. What is mean by conditional statements? Conditional statements is nothing but we are going to check the condition. Based on that condition, we are going to execute the statement. So here it contains two basic types. First one will be the if statement. Second one will be the if-else statements. So this concept we are going to use in the greatest number among two numbers finding combinations. First we are going to see what is the if statement and else statement. So if statement is nothing but if part, that is if statement is always execute based on the condition. If the condition is true, the particular block of statements will be executed. In case if the condition is false, what we have to do? So if the condition is false, then only the else block will be executed. So this is the concept of conditional statement. So here I am going to include the conditional statements in finding of greatest number among two numbers. So for that I am using the concept in C program. So first I have to use the header file, that is hash into stdio.h. So I am creating the main function. Including in the main function only I have to write the coding for finding the greatest number among two numbers. So first I have assigning some values, that is for finding the greatest number. So always the values will be on integers for finding one. So I am assuming that the number will be of integer. So I am creating the values. M1 is equal to 20, M2 is 40. So I have to find the greatest number among M1 and M2. So further I have to use the conditional statements. So conditional statements is if. So if statement it contains the condition. So inside of this I have to give the condition part. So if the condition is true, some statements will be executed. So in case if it is an else, that means it is not the condition is meeting in the false statements mean what are the things to be added. So in the else concept I didn't give the condition. Only the if statements contain the condition. So I am giving the condition as always m value will be of greater than the m2. So if this case I am giving the condition as m value is greater than of m2. If this condition is true, I have to give the message as m1 is greater. So how we are going to display the messages means through printf statements only I have to display the messages to the user. So I am giving the statement as printf m1 is greater. In case this condition meet out, that is it is a false, what is to be done? So in the else part I am giving the statement as m2 is greater. So that's all. So I am checking the conditions. So here m1 is 20, m2 is 40. So here the values m1 and m2. 20 is not greater than 40. So in this condition it is a false. So it does not execute this statements. So it automatically move out into the else part. So what the else part will contains m2 is greater. So I am getting the output as m2 is greater. Okay. So in case I am changing the values, m1 is 200, m2 is 40. Here, so m1 value will be automatically changing into the 200 and greater than m2 is 40. So in this case, 200 is greater than the 40. Yes, the condition is true. So if the condition is true, so this particular block that is printf m1 is greater. So I am getting the result as m1 is greater. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about how we are going to find the greatest number among two numbers. In my upcoming videos we are going to discuss about how it is applicable in if else concept also. Okay, thank you.